on about at least 430 named Republican individuals and entities. Here with reaction, he is the host of Sunday Night in America, Trey Gowdy, Fox News contributor, Jonathan Turley. Thank you both. We'll start with you, Trey. Okay, don't you have something about a legal process to get a warrant to do such an investigation? I don't know, maybe I'm a little old-fashioned, unreasonable search and seizure. This sounds like an intrusion to me.
Yeah, I would actually start, Sean, with what crime were you investigating? I mean, for you to use the powers that prosecutors have, including the grand jury and subpoena power, what crime were you looking into? It can't be a crime to object to the certification of an election, because Democrats have been doing this since 1960. Why in the world do you need U.S. senators' phone records when they are in charge of deciding whether or not to amend the Electoral College Act? They're in charge of deciding whether to or not to accept electors. What crime was he investigating?
Oh, that's a great question. Jonathan Turley, you maybe can crack this mystery for us.
You know, I think that the answer to the mystery is Smith himself. You know, he has always approached the Oscar Wilde rule that the only way to yield to temptation, to end temptation, is to yield to it. And I think that this is an example of it. What's really evident from the new information is the total lack of restraint. There doesn't appear to be anyone or anything that was restraining the special counsel in pursuing this. Keep in mind, this is a co-equal branch. This is a very intrusive step. It's a seriously dangerous step when it comes to the balance of powers under our constitutional system. None of that seemed to be any concern at all. It didn't even represent a speed bump for the special counsel. As the size of the scope of this effort becomes evident, it becomes more and more shocking that there apparently was no opposition. The Attorney General himself apparently said nothing. It's true that special counsels have a certain independence, but the Attorney General is supposed to exercise some of his own judgment. And what I'd like to know is, did he...
Got a Beatles story to tell?
A favourite song?
Call Dennis, Bill and Tom at 844-999-BEATLES.
The Fab Forum on the Beatles channel.
We heard, some you don't hear that often.
So see the little green light on my steering wheel? Can you see that?
A special request that we got from Paul.
That's my
it's the Beatles.
Super Cruise.
It's 844.
As long as I got a green light
992328
on my steering wheel, I know it's
lines.
driving the car.
You've been waiting and saying, gee, I never can get.
So it does pretty good here in 21. It's doing real good right now at nighttime. If you take your eyes off the road too long, though, it'll start flashing red, telling you to take control of the wheel. It's got to start flashing red real soon, right now, because it always disengages right here. Right here. See? So I got to put my hands back on the wheel.
Good, it's Dennis, but I'm fine too.
And then my cruise control will reactivate.
No, that's okay.
And I'll have to put my hand on the gas. Or my foot on the gas. Thank God I don't have to put my hand on the gas.
I'm really surprised that I would listen to the Beatles sound.
I'm just going to turn around here, I think.
Maybe since the start. I'm amazed that
Angel's probably having a fit. I never leave her at home. They got a rope across there. I'm glad I saw that. Whoop, I'm on the curb. So yeah, this is pretty handy. I got my little thingy up here. Can you see that up here in the hanging from my visor? I got my monitor. So that's gonna work out all right, huh? Give me some music.
involved the Beatles. I believe it was their
Steer for me, will you? Steer for me.
touring concert in 1966, and I just Googled it, and I think it was August 16th, 1966 at John F. Kennedy Stadium. And the most incredible memory that I have.
Can't concentrate. You're all I think about these days. My mind wanders where it will, and when it settles right on you, I forget what I should say. I forget what I should do. Where it will, and when it settles right on you, I forget what I should say. I forget what I should do. Come on, Patty, get it together. I try to think about Shakespeare and leave you. The Beatles on the Rolling Stones. I try to think about hairdos, tattoos, sushi bars and saxophones. I try to think about the talk show, new clothes, but I guess I should have known. I just can't concentrate. You're all I think about these days. You're all I think about these days.
Crime Country on Sirius XM.
She was sitting cross-legged on the hood of the Ford, filing down her nails with a memory board, talking to her friends about people they knew, and all of the things that young girls do. When she said, "You see that guy in the baseball cap? I'd like to spend some time with a boy like that." But Betty said, "I've seen him at the hardware store. I think his name is Billy, but I'm not sure." As they talked a little while, he passed by. She smiled at him, he just said hi. He was thinking to himself as he walked away, "Man, I'd like to find a girl like her someday." Young love, strong love, true love. It's a new love. They're gonna make it through the hard times. Walk those lines. Yeah, these ties will bind. Young